Assalamualaikum students, welcome to lecture number 2, week 6. So today our topic is ionic bond. The force of attraction between oppositely charged ion is called as ionic bond. One ion is positive and one ion is negative, so positive is always attracted toward negative. So the force of attraction that is developed between oppositively charged ion are called as ionic bond. So this is a simple definition of ionic bond. I will tell you the example in which you will learn in detail that what is ionic bond. So this was in definition, simple concept that what is ionic bond. So the force of attraction between oppositely charged ion is called as ionic bond. So for ionic bond, the force of attraction between oppositely charged, these oppositely charged ion may be positive ion and negative ion. So formation of ionic bond in NaCl is represented, in which firstly you have to form positive ion, as you have already seen that sodium gain one electron to get positive charge on it. So it has one electron in its last shell, and when it loses one electron from its last shell, it can 8 electron in its last shell and get positive charge on it. So this is the formation of positive charge. So this is the formation of positive charge you have already discussed in the previous lecture number 4 of week 5, and this is how the positive ion is formed. Next is formation of negative ion. This is formation of negative ion you have already discussed in lecture number 1, week 6. Chlorine, when gain one electron, it form negative charge on it. Chlorine has 2 electron in first shell, 8 electron in second shell, and 7 electron in its last shell. So 7 is incomplete, then it has to gain 1 electron. When it gain 1 electron, it is completed and it can negative charge on it. So this is how positive charge and negative charge is formed. Then this is sodium and this is chlorine, and chlorine sodium loses one electron and it donate to chlorine. Sodium get positive charge and chlorine get negative charge, and this is NaCl that is formed. That is the formation of ionic bond in NaCl. NaCl that is formed through this bonding is called as ionic compound. So here I give you a more concept that a compound that is formed by ionic bond is known as ionic compound. So this was our today lecture about ionic bond, in which I have told you about basic definition of ionic bond, how for ionic bond is formed, an example that formation of ionic bond in NaCl, in which I have told you about formation of Na positive ion, formation of Cl negative ion, and then the final how they react, how the sodium donate and how chlorine accept electron to get positive or negative charge. So yeah, this was our today lecture.